Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Excel cell as a icon. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert picture as an icon, select any cell. Then we go to the insert menu, select the shape drop down menu. Choose the rectangle shape, then draw the rectangle to this cell, press and hold the Alt on our keyboard. Select the shape and go to shape format menu. Choose the shape outline, choose no outline. Select the shape fill and click picture. Then select from file option. Then choose your image from your file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then we resize the cell and we can see the image is automatically resized. Now we can see we insert picture into cell as an icon very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.